Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to make coffee mug in Blender. Let's start. Select everything and press delete. Then go to add menu and from mesh select cylinder. Press G then Z then 1 and change the mode to edit mode. Change select mode to face and select the upper face of the cylinder. Press E then S and move to the interior to decrease the upper face area. Change the view and while selecting the upper face, press E and Z. Go down with the upper face. Do the same for the lower face. Press E then S and move to the interior and change the view. Press E while Z is activate and move the face to upward. Now we have this cylinder. Change the select mode to edge and select all the side edges. Press Ctrl R, left click and left click again. Open the loop cut and slide and change the number of cuts to 2. Press S then Z and move to increase the space between the two lines. Again select all the side edges and press Ctrl R, change the number of cuts to 2 and press S then Z and change the space between the two lines. Now change the select mode to face and select these 4 faces. Press E then Y and extrude these 4 faces as shown in figure. Go to the edge menu and go down to bridge edge loops. Change the interpolation to plane surface and change the number of cuts to 21 or 23 or as you see it. And here our mug is ready. I can go to the modifier properties and add modifier. From generate, add subdivision surface. I can change the levels view to 2 or 3. The upper edge is very thin, so I'll change it to be thick. Change the select mode to edge mode and select any edge. Go to select and go down to select loops and select edge loops. Press Ctrl plus B to increase the bevels. Change the mode to object mode and apply the subdivision modifier, and here it's our mug. If you are with us to this part of our video, please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.